early in the morning, and Santa has left presents at the Cobb house. He came down the old chimney last night, and lo and behold, there were lots of presents for everyone.
I did too, Stephanie. I got a green one and black.
He knows our colors.
Yeah.
But we're missing something.
What
What are we missing?
Presents.
There's
And
one
egg.
little boy still missing from Santa's presents. He maybe decided not to come. No! Here he comes. The last of the Cobb kids. Totally asleep. But he's not quite awake yet. He is a sleepy boy. Well, shall we go on with this little escapade?
Yeah. He waking up. This is just what I wanted, and he gave me it for good.
What is it?
It's a kind of Lego shirt.
Alright.
I
I
got a lot of Lego shirts.
You're gonna be Lego boy this year, huh?
Yes, sir.
Steph, did you hand him his next one? Or he go get him. Oh, they take.
Here's one from Ricky Chappas.
Okay. We'll do a little bit different. That give time for Greg to wake up. Okay, Steph?
Look, Steph, look at the tops of the packages.
Oh,
It looks like everything that's like that is going to be meals. Look at where your name is.
See, Daddy, what they gave me?
Oh, it's Money Bank?
No. The candy bank.
Oh.
Candy mailbox.
Yeah. Okay.
Hand me the paper.
Oh, big one. I don't know. I forgot what this one was. Is it the jet one? No, we didn't have any. This one.
Well, open it and see what it is. It's in your paper.
Golly, a big old.
I got this without telling them.
You got something extra.
Oh, so sometimes you get stuff that you don't even ask for, huh?
Ah, this. Oh, since they got me something for Christmas at Grandma's house, I guess they gave me this.
To make up for the ones that you had on you didn't have on your list.
Yeah.
That'd be about the same size as your little
That's going to have a lot of pieces in it.
what's that? What's the name of that?
Open it up
That
so you don't lose anything.
Got some cakes.
oh, jammer.
Oh, now you got put in that little black music box in there.
Empty hammer. Hammer time. And you got Mario, White Knuckle, Scory, Hammer, and
Legos? Alright. You and your brother gonna have lots of Legos to play with.
Yeah.
You build Legos all the way up and down the hall. Greg's little train that he has to set it up. Set up some
Nintendo for me, Daddy.
six place next to it.
Game Gear football.
Is it new?
What?
Turn on the box.
The front. Put
Yeah.
this in the front.
Game Gear football.
That's a cool.
Damn.
Here, I'm going to see it.
That's nice.
Oh yeah, no high speed. It's a world ping pong game.
Pinball. That's maybe like your pinball machine you asked for.
That's what I wanted, a pinball machine. Yeah, but you don't want
You
it.
know, like Drew Self has it. He lets you borrow that tape. Like
Yeah, but
that.
it's harder. Yeah, Drew did.
It says world's #1 pinball on it. So that must be the favorite kind.
Travel sorry. Travel sorry.
Wow.
You can play that when you go to Austin today to go through General Griffin.
Wow, I'm so sorry.
I'm gonna have to help you.
What is it, old partner?
Sun gleams. Yeah, I keep on working.
Oh.
A little art project.
Art kit.
I'll help you with it because I've done a lot of that. But I don't want to give them to anybody since it's for Christmas. I may give them to Mom, Dad, and you and Greg.
Keep them in the family, right?
Yeah, I know in our house.
That's what I mean.
And they even give me the bags to go.
Why don't you go put some clothes on, Greg?
Screamer?
Screamer, just what Zany has. You may have enough for now too. You don't know. I just see what the present is. Yeah, it just reminds me. One of them. Oh, Hogan! Suitcase, you know? I have my own suitcase now, man. And you don't have to pack your suitcase for me.
You know what else that would be good for?
What?
When you go on trips, load up all the Game Gear stuff in there.
Yeah, I can load my games too.
Well, everybody. That way it'll all have a little case.
Place to go. Pretty nice, Neil.
That old suitcase. I can't see now. That suitcase up.
I didn't want it for me then. Yes, you did. I said I did, so I got it. Now you just have to order the ants. No, I have to order the ants and the butterfly. How do you know you got it?
Butterflies.
Yeah, I got a butterfly out. First you have to see if you got it. You know, everything you have on your list you don't get.
You can go get my knife.
Open it and see.
My knife?
No.
I
You may
forgot
not-
where
you
my
don't need a
knife is.
Craig. Right now, let's just open it. See what you want.
Alright.
He's gonna need something. Give it to Mom.
Get out of
Give it to Mrs. Nails.
It said Don't. That's not what I wanted, but she gave me an extra
Extreme.
clothes. Oh, more clothes.
Camouflage.
Cold. You went out in the North Pole. It's cold. Yeah.
You can wear that
There's
to.
the lilies out there.
You can wear,
Red one looks like
you can wear,
Christmas.
Yeah,
you
pretty.
can wear that to school.
I wear this to school.
The camouflage you can wear to school too. It's kind of like a warm
You
ups.
can wear the red and green one today for Christmas.
Pretty heavy. I don't know what it is. It's pretty heavy. Oh, look. 101 Dalmatians, The Little Mermaid, Chip and Dale, a Big Cheese, Paper, What a Teddy Bear Needs, Pinocchio. There's a lot of stuff for books. Now you can read new stories. But I don't have to read all those old things.
Put this on the coffee.
So I can take the stuff out of it.
What you got, bud? More Legos?
A Lego freak.
Dark, sharp.
And Greg's finally got into the action of the situation. He's into his little stocking.
What? This piece is okay.
Don't rip the stocking. It's caught up underneath or something.
But I think you did all right, Neil, didn't you?
No, there's more.
There's still more in there?
I said I